ima jedan vrlo važan zadatak, on će da mi drži mikrofon. I have to speak this in English. It was happened like 2 years ago. I was driving a car between 3 and 5 in the afternoon where you cannot drive on that diamond lane, you know? And then, because my house is very close to the store where I was, and then I was driving a car, I said, I don't have to go in the middle lane, I'm gonna go I will stay in the same one. And after 120 meters, police officer just stopped me. And I said, oh my God, I have to do something not to pay ticket, right? And it was a very nice looking officer. He came to me, I stopped the car, and he came to me saying, good afternoon, sir. And I start to act like this. When he said, good afternoon, I said, no. After I said good afternoon, I saw in his eyes some kind of like lighting, like, oh my God, what I stopped. And then he said, excuse me, sir, can I have your document? And I said, you can have my document anytime you want. And again, in his eyes, it was really like, oh my God, look at how many drivers is around, and I'm stopping this idiot. And I was talking very loud anyway. And then he said, okay, can I have your document, please? I said, find my document. And I don't even know why you stopped me, sir. And he took my document, he went in his cruiser, and I went out from my car, and he was checking something in a computer, and I was standing on the other side of the passenger window, and then I said, I was talking very loud, I said, excuse me, sir, I don't really know why you stopped me. I was driving very slow. I don't know why you stopped me, because you can even check in computer. His only reaction was, my computer is not working, leave me alone. And I was so happy I never paid any ticket. He just told me, next time I'm gonna charge you for $400, whatever. Okay, this is one of my doživljaja, kako bi se reklo. A sad sam izvadio nešto iz jedne sjajne knjige, pa ću vam pročitati. Kaže, znate li koji je Sulji najbolji prijatelj? Lift. Uvijek dođe kad ga pozove. Kaže, kako se na bosanskom jeziku kaže, izvinjavam se, grupni seks? Gornja mahala, donju jahala. Ako sudiju zovemo sudac, kako zovemo kurira? Šta kaže Suljo Fati koja ima 2 šljive na oku? Je li ti treba i 3. put govoriti? Kaže, zašto nema seksa među bosanskim političarima? Pa sve sama rodbina. Kaže, ako se ne oženiš, pokajat ćeš se. Ako se oženiš, pokajat ćeš se još više. Kaže, ne znam šta rade u raju, ali znam šta ne rade. Ne žene se, ja 2 put. Kaže, neoženjen muškarac je nepotpun. Oženjen, gotov. Živjeti sa osobom koja se voli jednako i teško kao živjeti sa osobom koja se ne voli, što je tačno. Kaže, ko hrče, uvijek prvi zaspi. To je stvarno neko pravilo. A znate li zašto žene nose visoke štikle? Hajde da vidimo. Da im se jezik ne vuče po asfaltu. Ovo je nešto što je stvarno se može nazvati bruka. Zamislite ako vam žena kaže, dragi, da upalim svjetlo, ako već ne možeš da nađeš u mraku. Kaže, muškarci su kao žvaki. Prvo su slatki, a poslije savijete. I znate li koji je dobar policajac? Da li iko zna koji je dobar policajac? Ležeći policajac. Hvala, ima još mnogo grupa za večeras. Vidimo se nekom sljedećem prilikom. Hvala jedno za ovo.
Hvala Jasminu Geljo što je došla do večera u našu večer. Nisam siguran u